Okay, please forgive the sound on this. My microphone's out of battery, so I'm charging it. But find the area of the circle in terms of pi. So we need to know what the formula for area of a circle is. And for area of a circle, it's area equals pi times the radius squared. And pi times then, what is the radius? The radius is 20 meters. And that's squared. So what we get when we do 20 times 20 is 400. And since it's in terms of pi, we're not going to multiply this by 3.14. We're going to keep it 400 pi. But you'll notice this as well. We did meters times meters, because 20 meters times 20 meters means meters times meters, and that is meters squared. And so the area of this triangle is 400 pi meters squared. And just for fun, you can imagine if you actually multiplied 400 by this number, which is a little more than 3, the area is actually over 1,200 square meters. So don't get fooled by this number being 400 and thinking that it's close to 400 square meters, because this is a multiplier that's a little more than 3. Okay?